Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we want to tour the ASABA Express, the popular ASABA Express route, the one linking you to the Benin and back to Onitsha. That's what we are exploring today. So for those who have been asking, do I have two channels or what happened? So this is the same channel. I changed the name from Mushe TV to Explore with Ebuka or Ebukafilms. So it's still the same channel, though we have other channels, but not based on travel vlogs. They are just how to videos, but they are still new channels, not like we have numerous video on it. So I'll still be revealing it to you guys in the future. So I decided to give a tour of this ASABA Onitsha Express route. We are currently on the side heading towards the Benin, and right now we have made a reverse going back towards the ASABA Onitsha Expressway. So we started this filming from that ASABA Federal Housing Estate, heading down to Koka and to Jemok Axix. So the only thing I can tell you is that what I've said before, I've made this kind of video before where I showed you that ASABA Expressway do not have drainage system. And one thing you need to notice here, once it's raining season, ASABA Expressway and some part of ASABA, majority part of ASABA used to be in absolute mess, and you're gonna see everything on this video. And also I'll give you a little explanations about some certain areas where they recently poured some stones and the place has become worse again like it used to be. So for the past 2 years the place is in absolute mess and no tangible repairs has done on it. So if you watch closely on the road as we are going, you will see a lot of swamp area or flood along this road. That is how it used to happen when it is raining in ASABA. Some streets are no-go area currently, so that's why I always advise people in all my videos about ASABA. Anytime you want to relocate to ASABA and you're a newcomer coming newly to this to the place, try to come during raining season, so agents that are looking for their 20 or 30% won't send you to a flooded area. So it is very important come during raining season so you see everything for yourself. So this is the looks of the express. This one you are seeing right now, just little of them, so you still see bigger one. If I'm to enter, there's some major streets within ASABA right now as it is raining this period. Some of them you can't even see anywhere to to pass. Everywhere has been flooded, so that is how it is. So this is Mechanic Village. For those who don't know this place, it is called the Mechanic Village after Maria Babangida if you are heading towards Koka. So this is the look of this place. Also you can see how this place is looking beside the expressway. I think you see this place before Summit. You see this place before Summit. So I'm gonna let you guys watch through the video, and once you get to that Jemok area, I will explain what I want to explain over there. So as you are watching it, I will keep on explaining what I want to explain. So here is the popular Asaba Coca flyover that everyone used to know. At this junction, there are many link road to this particular place. They link road to DLA, to Ibuzo axis, leading you to Ogwashi and many other places. So, but one thing that is new to that Coca roundabout is that it's now having a choking smell, which I don't know where the choking smell is coming from. Maybe from the some people staying under the flyover, which I'm yet to identify. Maybe they are now somehow polluting on them or something. So I don't know. So around that around that flyover, after the flyover heading towards Jemok, where we are just passing right now, you can see that the place is also very bad, but they kind of pour stone on it also, and it's now a little bit more trouble, but not that quite okay. So from here you can still be watching and seeing along all the roads. So that street I just showed you can see how flooded it is. So no entrance. Anybody that's going there with ordinary foot have to swim, except you are going with your car. So very soon we're gonna be reaching to to that Zene axis, the Bonsac and the Zene axis down to Jemok. So recently, not more than 2 weeks, or is it up to 2 weeks? Let's just say not more than a week plus now, they came there and they poured some certain stones. They poured some stones on that particular place because it was very, very bad that motorists can no longer make use of the place. So they poured some stones, and after pouring some stones, within 2 days of little shower, the place returned back to what it used to be before. So like you can see, the motor I'm just in right now, I managed to follow through this place. You can see others running one way, some people that cannot manage to follow there, or maybe people that maybe their motor are not that strong enough, they are not using this particular route right now, so they are following one way, while others maybe sees that their motors that can do it are still using it. So you can see how flooded it has become. So this place, if I tell you that just 1 week ago they poured stone on this place, will you believe me? So this place needs total reconstruction with proper drainage system. If not, all these things are gonna be a waste of time. So this is what I want to show you. You can see it, all these things around the Zene and the Zene, Bonsac, and towards Jemok axis. So the place is an absolute mess that motorists cannot even make use of them anymore. Like it is an absolute mess. You can see them. Somebody that parks here maybe, let's just say, a week ago or 4-5 days ago, and coming back to see this again will be like, what is going on? This is how it used to be. Like I said earlier, the road has been bad for 2 years right now. So towards December, I think towards December 2023 or so, the place was bad, and towards that December they came and poured some stones and some stone-based stuff there. And after a while, towards the raining season of 2024, the place become bad, and from that time to this time around they pour this stone. I think they have come there not more than 3 or 2 times to do the same thing, and they are still getting the same result. So the place needs total reconstruction with proper drainage system. That is what the place needs. Without it, this is just a waste of time. You can see it. So the thing is that the proper body that needs to do something about the road should come to the rescue of the motorists, applying this road on daily basis, because it's becoming very bad. Very soon, big motors or big trailers will start falling like usual, because before they pour this stone, a lot of big motors, trailers were falling already on the road. Even tankers, even some container bodies and the rest are already falling on the road before they pour this last stone that they did that got spoiled this way. So that pouring of stone cannot do anything on this road. It needs proper drainage system and total reconstruction before things will be okay. Without it, all these are just waste of time. So guys, if you have been applying on this route or you have been going through this place, kindly tell us what you feel about the place via our comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the thumb up button, and don't forget to share the video to get to wider audience. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Don't forget to comment. We want to hear from you and what you think about the whole thing. Should they continue with pouring of stone or proper things should be done? Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in another video. Bear in mind, our channel name has been changed to Explore with Ebuka or at Ebukafilms. Thank you for your understanding.